Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Adhay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am back and excited with another video. I'm doing a Sephora haul. I was supposed to film this video some time ago, but then one thing after the other, one thing after the other. Not only that, but my Sephora purchases were backtracked. So if you want to see this Sephora haul, then I suggest you guys to keep on watching. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you press that notification bell in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm a Sephora Rouge. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So whenever they have discounts, I get those discounts as well, being part of the Sephora Rogue. I'm not sure. And this time I believe was their spring sale. I got 20% discount. And even though when this sale took place, we were still under quarantine, I took advantage because I honestly didn't know what the future holds, and I just wanted to be prepared for whenever we went back into the world. And as a makeup artist, I needed to restock on several products for my clients, not only for my clients but also for myself. So I took advantage of this sale, not knowing again what the future holds, not knowing that till today, right now, I haven't gone fully back to work because we are still dealing with, unfortunately, this virus. Disclaimer, before I begin showing you guys everything, this is in no way, type of form trying to brag about anything or just show off about anything. Have in mind, I am a makeup artist, I'm a makeup instructor, and I do freelance makeup, and also I work on set, so I need a lot of these products. This is what my business is all about. So let's begin. I restocked on my most popular contouring stick that I always use. This one is in the shade, let's see, 435. I always run out very fast because I use it a lot. I also had to restock on my Marc bronzer. This one is in another shade that I had run out, and this one is in the shade Tantalize, something like that. It's a beautiful contour shade. I use it more for contour rather than bronzer. Isn't it beautiful? Also, when I bought this, I got this for free, and I haven't tried it before. It's a bronzing coconut body stick, so it looks like this. This will come in handy because I do photo shoots, so this, if a model needs that extra bronze, could be used on them. I still have to try it and see how that works. Excuse my nails, I haven't gotten my nails done at all with this quarantine, trying just to stay safe. I haven't visited any nail salon or hair salon, as you could tell. We're just trying to stay safe out here. Okay, this one, it is the brow gel and the pencil, and this one is specifically for me. I love using the pencil. This product that I'm about to show you next, I've been dying to try and use on myself and on my clients, but the price point was the one that was holding me back. I was like, no, I can't. It's just gonna be too much money. So when this came up, the sale, I was like, let me take advantage of this sale before, you know, I don't have money, or before there isn't another sale. I don't know. So this is the Fenty brushes. Yes, the Fenty brushes I've been dying to try. So I got most of the brushes, not all of them, because it would be crazy insane. So I got, let's start off with the big one. I got this one. This is the Kabuki Buff foundation brush, and I'm excited to try it. I want to make a video just using her brushes and tell you the quality, because yeah, this, I'm a little skeptical of the bristles, but we'll see how they work out. They feel heavy. Good. And then I got the contour, the face shaping brush, which is this one. This one. The aesthetic of these brushes is beautiful. And then I have this powder brush. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I actually thought it was going to be bigger, to be honest, but I think there's a bigger one aside from this one. This one is a bronzing brush. It's a little too small for my liking when it comes to bronzing brushes. I like my bronzing brushes to be bigger, but this could be definitely for blush. I got this one too. My fellows are going everywhere. Girl, this quarantine weight is insane. So this one is a cheek hugging highlighting brush. Oh, it's so small. I think there's a bigger size too. If not, this is so tiny. It's so cute though. And let's go into my smaller brushes. This one is the Precision Concealer Brush. I think this is a perfect size for the under eye or the inner corner of the eye. And also when you apply foundation or product on your eyelid, that would be good. Some shadow brushes. If I'm honest, this one really like took for me to purchase because they're small and then the price was almost close to the, you know, the bigger ones. So it's like, oh, it's flat. I thought it was gonna be fluffier, but okay, we'll see how that works. Oh, this one's cute. This one's fluffier. Those are the brushes. So in total is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes. Yeah, so in total I got 8 brushes. And then I had to get the sponge. I had to get the sponge as well. And the last product from Venti is this blotting paper. So here is with the package. Oh, this is so cute. It is so tiny. This is the perfect size whenever you're out and about to put it. Yeah, those times when we would go out. But yeah, you just put it in your little bag or your wallet and it'll fit perfectly and you're ready to blot. It even has a little mirror. This is so cute. I haven't seen anything quite like this, so I'm happy with that. So, and this purchase was specifically for myself because I ran out of my moisturizer. I got the Tatcha water cream. I was a little bummed about this one because it said that I was gonna get the jumbo size and I was expecting something bigger than this. Not this small, to be honest. Not only that, but when I received it, it was already very low. So I was like, I got it with a discount, but still I was expecting more out of it, but I guess not. I also purchased this deep cleanser from Tatcha, and this one looks like, whoa, it's actually big. I hadn't opened it because I still had some from my last bottle. I have the traveling size and I honestly thought it was gonna be just a bit bigger than the traveling size, but surprisingly it looks way bigger than I thought it was, and I'm happy about that. But yeah, this is my favorite cleanser so far. I just love it. It gets the job done, and also it doesn't strip your skin out from your natural oils. Another skin product that I got was this one. This is the OLEHENRIKSEN. I can never pronounce this name, but it is their Banana Bright Eye Cream and also their Banana Bright Face Primer. It was gonna come with a free hat. I really like this color. Oh, it's so nice. Let's see how it goes. Free hat with your purchase. So I got stuck because of the size of these products in this box. So this is the cream. I don't know, I thought it was gonna be bigger. Again, I don't know, I thought it was gonna be bigger. And then we have the Banana Bright Face Primer. Another thing that I got and I'm extremely excited to try on is this Urban Decay brow marker pencil kind of thing. It is called the Brow Blade. It is like a feathery marker type of situation. Let me see. Yeah, so this right here, it is super fine. Let's swatch it. The lines, I don't know if you can see them, but they're freaking thin and they look like hair. I want to try this product so bad. And it has another side of a pencil. One of those things that I really want to try, but I don't want to spend all the coin on them. So I took advantage of that 20% discount and I'm very excited to try it and see if it actually works. And last but not least, because I go through these bottles a lot, it is the setting spray. This one, it is the ultra matte, so it's even more matte than their regular original all-nighter one. So I got this one for me, and this one is for my clients in the future when all this goes somewhat back to normal. Oh, it is huge. It is so big. So you see? So this is definitely an XL. It's nothing like, oh, it's gonna be a tiny bit bigger. Nope, it's at a whole time bigger. So the XL is for my clients. It's for my combination to oily skin. And this one is for my personal use. Oh, and I also bought a Chanel perfume, and I gave that to my mama for her birthday. Also, since I started using this product, I totally forgot about it, but it's the Huda Beauty lipstick and lip liner. It's a very nice pinky nude, I would say. A little bit darker than a nude, but it's very nice. And then we got some free samples and some rewards. For million points, you got this little perfume and this little soap. Just kidding. It was a little less. So that is it, you guys. This was my Sephora haul, and I hope you guys got entertained, got your mind off of things for a little bit, talking about these products. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you press that notification bell in order to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.